This is an 18-inch Shamrock door hanger that I purchased unfinished. It's made out of 1/8" MDF. And I'm using some different colors of green. I first started off with forest green by Deco Art. I'm wanting an ombre effect, so next was desert cactus. Then it'll be pistachio mint, and at the top will be white. Then you'll want to take a little bit of the bottom darker color, a little bit of the top lighter color on your brush, and blend right there in the center where the two meet, so that you have a gradual change of color. I applied white to the top and again blend it all in. And we have a perfect ombre shamrock. Now we're going to do some lettering with the Master's Touch 30/0 brush. I'm going to lightly put it in and then go back over my lettering, make some lines thicker. Then I added in this cute little green flower using all three of those colors, added the petals, some leaves, and some vine work. And I have a beautiful shamrock, perfect for St. Patrick's Day. And the line work just tops it off. And it's done.